In this video, I will be going to talk about JSON output parser. So this is the file JsonOutputParser.py where I have written few lines of code already. So here I am loading the API keys and I am calling this GPT 3.5 turbo model. Also, I have included this prompt template class from LangChain core.prompts. Now I will also include JSON output parser, which is also present in LangChain underscore core. So I will write from LangChain underscore core dot output parsers import. Last time I did string output parser. This time I am doing JSON output parser. Here also I will create the parser object by calling this JSON output parser class. That is how the parser object is created. Now I am creating a prompt template. So here I am writing as template is equal to prompt template, and this time my template is give me a car detail having year, make and model of, let's say, a car. And this time I am including one more variable. So let's say I put a new line here, and in the new line I give a extra variable here, format style variable. If the format style is JSON, the output will appear in JSON. If the format style is Pydantic, the output will appear in Pydantic. So I will tell you how to fill this value of format style. So hope you understand the template. In the template I have written give me a car detail which has year, make and model of car. So the car will be the input variable which I will fill dynamically, and the format style is also one more variable. Now what I will do, I will put comma and I will be going to write the input variable. Under input variables, I have only one variable which is car variable. So I just paste this car variable. After that I put comma, and here I will also put partial variables. Partial variables are in the form of dictionary. I just give a dictionary, and here you see I will use this variable which is format style variable, and the value of this format style variable I will derive from this parser. So I will call it as parser dot get format instructions. Because this parser is JSON output parser, so the get format instructions will fill the value in a variable which is format style variable as the JSON output. Now why this is called a partial variable? Because this format style variable will not be filled at runtime. You see, this variable will be filled at runtime, but this variable will not be filled at runtime. It will be filled before runtime. That is why this variable is known as partial variable. Now what I will do, I will perform the template dot invoke to show you the output. So here I am saying creating a prompt which is equal to template.invoke, and within the template as a dictionary I will pass car, and let's say the car is Tata, and I will print this prompt only. So I run this. So you see this is the text which is created. Give me a car detail having year, make and model of Tata, and after that this variable which I have created, which is a partial variable, this is saying that return a JSON object. Why it is returning a JSON object? Because this parser belongs to JSON output parser. If it is a Pydantic output parser, then it will be saying that return me Pydantic object. So that is the advantage of using this partial variable, and this variable is not filled at runtime, it was filled before runtime. So I hope this concept is clear. So right now I am commenting these and I am creating a chain, and I am first using the template. The output of the template will go to LLM, and the output of the LLM will go to parser. That's it. And then what I will do, I will invoke this chain. So I will say chain dot invoke, and you see I will be going to pass this string here, which will return me a result, and that result I will be going to print. So what will happen when you invoke this function car is Tata? I told you that this value will be sent to the first place in the chain. So this value will be sent to the template. So here car will be replaced by Tata. So the output will be give me a car detail having year, make, model of Tata, and the format should be JSON. Now that prompt will be sent as an input to LLM. Then LLM will perform the operation, produce the result, and after that the result will have lot of metadata and all. So that extra things will be removed, and you will be going to get the perfect JSON result. So let me show you this output. So if I execute it, so here you see this is the output which I have got, and this is the output in the form of JSON. And here if you want to see the type of the result, I can just say print type result, and if I run this, so it has given me dictionary. So JSON is returned as dictionary, so that's fine. And I just comment it out. And if suppose you have a doubt, if I do not put parser, then what will happen? So let me show you that if I do not put parser at the end and just run without parser, then you see I will be going to get, I get this kind of result, and you see a lot of extra information is there. So to properly get the output, you have to put the parser at the end as well. Now you see I am modifying this query and I am saying give me 3 car details having year, make, model of car and the format style. So I want this time 3 cars of a same company, and if I now run this, so this is the output which I have got. I have got car 1, and this is the output. I have car 2, this is the output, and car 3, this is the output. But you see, there are some issues with it. Right now, year is coming perfect. But if suppose your LLM returns 2018 year, so I cannot control LLM that always give me integer. Don't give me text along with it. Right now, I do not have any control on the type of it. Also, it has given this kind of format like car 1 and the details car 2 and the details car 3 and the details. Fine. But sometimes it may not give you the details like this. It may give you cars, and it may give you a list where it has 3 dictionaries like this. So you cannot control the format here always. Here the format is desirable, fine, but sometimes it will give you this kind of format also. So in JSON you cannot control the format, and also you cannot control the data type. So to avoid these kind of problems, I will introduce in the next video pydantic output. Using pydantic output parser, what you can do, you can control the type. Also, you can control the format in which you want the output. Suppose I run this code again, so it may give me different kind of output also. So this time you see it has given me cars, and a list is there, and few dictionaries are added in a list. So it is not necessary that it will always give me this kind of output. It may give me different kind of output as well. If I try to change my prompt to give it such a way, then still it is not a guarantee that LLM will always give me the desired output. If I want to be 100% sure that I want a particular format, then Pydantic is the option